Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video, October 31st, 2024. What's this about? All about that rebalancing I've told you about over and over and over. So stocks have been up this month and bonds have been down, and then the market's sold off. Bonds basically unchanged, stock market down 100. Now, the only thing that I regret on my part is that I didn't see that last second sell-off right here. Right here. That was 1 minute. I saw the one up here, didn't see the one down here, but we were still positioned and made money on it. So at least that went well. And we came in short, we stayed short, but what do you do now? Well, the key is that you have the unemployment report tomorrow. You have the whole thing with the election coming up. You have Apple's earnings coming out. Amazon's came out fine. Intel's came out fine. I wouldn't be surprised to see us rally tomorrow, but I have a feeling it would be a muted rally. Now, this is the way that I've seen it a lot of times. I want you to see the SPX on the right. So it had a sell-off of about 17 points on the close, maybe 20. A lot of times it comes back to where it was. So just keep that in mind, about 57.20 in this area. That's what I'd look for. The 57.20 level, that kind of area. But, you know, if the unemployment report's really weak, maybe that doesn't happen. You know, if Apple disappoints, maybe that doesn't happen. Apple's coming out very soon. But I do think that in the long run, we've hit support. I think the Nasdaq's hit support, but you don't have a reversal pattern yet to tell you the all clear on the upside. So that's the way I'm looking at the markets right now. A lot is going to be reaction after the unemployment report and after Apple's earnings. Take care. Have a good night. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.